Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video we will explain how to fix Bluetooth not showing in Device Manager on Windows 10 and help you restore Bluetooth on your system. Now let's get started. Step 1, click on the Start menu, type Services and press Enter. This opens the Services window where Windows background features and hardware related services are managed. Step 2, scroll down the list and double-click on Bluetooth Support Service. This service controls how Bluetooth devices work and is required for Bluetooth to appear in Device Manager. Step 3, in the Bluetooth Support Service Properties window, stay on the General tab and click on Startup Type. Then select Automatic to ensure Bluetooth services start every time Windows boots. Step 4, click on Apply and then click OK to save the changes. This confirms the new settings and activates the Bluetooth service properly. Step 5, right-click on the Start menu and click on Device Manager. This tool shows all installed hardware and helps detect missing or disabled devices. Step 6, in Device Manager, right-click on your computer's name at the top and click on Scan for hardware changes. This forces Windows to redetect Bluetooth hardware. Step 7. If Bluetooth still does not appear, open your browser and download the latest Bluetooth device drivers from your PC manufacturer's official website. Then install them to fix driver-related issues. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful and easy tutorials.